Good morning to all of you. Yesterday till question number 8 we think we have to discuss. In question number 8 we have to complete it. Anyone have any doubt in question number 8?
No, sir.
Now current time we have to solve the surface area of and volume of the cylinder. Current time we have to solve the surface area and volume of the cylinder. Till question number 8 it is completed. Anyone have any doubt in question number 8?
No, sir.
See that we have to solve question number 9. We have to solve the question number 9. You are to solve it from the homework or not?
Yes, sir.
How many questions are given homework?
Sir, only 7.
Only 7. One question given homework. Have you not complete your homework?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Open your homework copy. Each and every student open your homework copy. Okay. Open your homework copy. See that question number 9. The inner diameter of a cylindrical wooden pipe is 24 centimeter and its outer diameter is 28 centimeter given. The length of the pipe is 35 centimeter. Find the mass of pipe. If 1 centimeter cube of wood has mass 0.6 kilogram. You see that if in the question inner diameter given and outer diameter given, it means inner radius given and outer radius given. It means which type of cylinder we have?
Hollow cylinder.
It is hollow cylinder. First we have to make the figure. After that we have to solve the question. You see that question says that we have a hollow cylinder. Which type of cylinder we have?
Hollow cylinder.
Hollow cylinder. Suppose this is your hollow cylinder. Okay. This is visible for anyone or not?
Yes, sir. This is one.
Okay. See that question tells that the inner diameter of cylindrical wooden pipe is 24 centimeter. You see that inner diameter given. What is given? Inner diameter given 24 centimeter. This implies that inner radius equal to what? 24 divided by 2. It means you see that this is our inner radius. Anyone have any doubt?
No, sir.
Inner radius is what? 24 divided by 2 equals to 12 centimeter. After that, so see that question tells that and its outer diameter is 28 centimeter. Inner diameter is 24 given and you see that outer diameter is given 28. It means outer radius equals to 28 by 2. You see that? It means capital R. You see that? It is visible or not? Means here this is outer radius. It means whenever we have to improve the thickness of the material, this is said to be the outer radius. In inner radius, if you have to increase the thickness of the material, this is the outer radius. This is given. This is 12 centimeter, and this is the 14 centimeter. Anyone have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. After the question says that the length of pipe is 35 centimeter. The length of pipe is cylindrical.
Yes, sir.
It means the length of cylinder given
35.
35 centimeter. This is the H. After the question say that find the mass of the pipe. What question have asked that? Find the mass of the pipe. If 1 centimeter wood has mass 0.6 gram. If you have a 1 centimeter cube, this is 1 centimeter cube volume you have, its mass is 0.6. So first we have to calculate the total volume of this pipe. After that we have to calculate the mass of this pipe. Okay. Write the solution. Solution 9. First you have to mention the given things. Given inner radius. That you have to mention inner radius. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here you have to mention. If one time you have to mention from that time. Inner radius equal to what? Inner radius 12 centimeter. Outer radius equal to what? 14 centimeter. And height of the cylinder 35 centimeter. Therefore, volume of cylinder.
The question number 9, you have given a homework.
volume of cylinder, don't you speak? Volume of cylinder, wait. Last page. What is the volume of cylinder? First hollow cylinder I have to speak. This is the hollow cylinder. Volume of the hollow cylinder. I have to speak about the volume of the hollow cylinder. 2 pi r h you have to speak. It will be 2 pi. This is the constant.
I have to sit and understand the topic.
2 pi r h. It means you see that if you have to speak 2 pi r, how is volume? How will this? This is the constant value. R is the one dimension, S is the two dimension. So how it will be equal to the volume is the three dimensional quantity. And you have to square 2 pi r plus 2 pi capital R plus 2 pi small r. So whenever you speak any, give the any answer, so you have to speak that this is the right or wrong. How many dimension it has? Here 2 and in volume 3 dimension. So this formula is correct. First, whenever you give the answer, you have to think that. Apollo, what is the volume of our cylinder?
Pi capital R square h R square h plus pi small r R square h.
It
Sir,
is
I can
correct.
write.
What I have to ask first to give the answer. What is the volume of hollow cylinder?
Pi r capital R square h plus pi small r square h.
Last range. This one, that side. What is the volume of cylinder, hollow cylinder?
Sir, pi r square h minus capital R minus pi small r square
H. Pi capital R square H minus pi small r square H. Our director dimension pi H into capital R square minus small r square. You know, this is the volume of hollow cylinder. Pi capital R square H. Pi capital R square H minus pi small r square H. As you have to common out pi H remains value is the r square minus. You have no any time. Single formula we have to solve every day. I have to ask every day formula, but there are no effect upon you all. Don't learn the formula. Directly you have to come here. How much pressure you have, I don't know. See that. Pi H into capital R square minus small r square. First you have to calculate the volume. Each side is given in the centimeter. It means our volume we have to calculate in the centimeter cube. See that. This will be equal to, put the value pi. Value of pi is 25.7 into value of H given on rows.
Yes, sir. 35 centimeters.
35 centimeter. Very good. Into capital R. Value of capital R. Finish. Now. What is the volume? Capital R.
Capital R.
Outer radius.
28. 14, sir.
14. It means 14 square minus equal money inner radius 12. Very good. So see that here we have an algebraic identity. You are going to know. Here we have algebraic identity a square minus b square. Second one. U. What is the formula for a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. It means you have to mention 22/7 into 35 into, you have to apply the formula a plus b, 14 plus 12, 26, 14 minus 12, 2. Anyone any doubt? 7 5 ja, 5 2 ja, 10, 10 into 26, 260. 5 into 10, 10 into 26, 260 multiplied by 22 equals to what? You are at calculate. Five
5720.
Very good. 5720
Centimeter
cube. See that this is the volume of cylinder.
Yes.
This is the volume of cylinder. But question I have asked that what is the mass? What is the mass of this pipe? You see that for mass, you have to give one idea. 1 centimeter cube volume is 0.8 gram. 1 centimeter cube volume is the
0.6 gram.
0.6 gram given. 1 centimeter cube volume given 0.6 gram. Therefore, mass of 5720 centimeter cube. Therefore total mass equals to 5720. We have to convert this one in the kg. If you want to convert the gram into kg, divide just the. If we want to convert gram into kg, how we have to convert it?
Divided by 1000.
Divided by
1000.
1000. It means you see that multiplied 0.6, 6 upon 10,000 you have to mention. Anyone agree now? So you see that 1 0 cancel out. Therefore total mass. So you see that 1000 divided 572. It means 0.572 into 6. Clear? Anyone have any doubt? And 6 5 are 30 and 3 7 are 40. 6 7 are 42. It means total volume. Have to calculate here. 6 2 are 12. 6 2 are 12. 1 6 7 are 42 1 43 and 6 5 are 30 and 4 34. Under how many digits you have to put the decimal? 3.432 kg. What is the mass? Total mass equals to what? 3.432 kg. You want to say something? Got it the idea or not? Once again I have to repeat the question. Sit down. You have a cylindrical pipe given. What is given? Cylindrical pipe. Question says that its inner radius 12 cm, inner diameter given. Then we calculate the inner radius. Inner radius is 12 cm. Outer radius is 14 cm. And height of the cylinder given 35 cm. After that question I have asked that if 1 cm cube volume is 0.6 gram, then what is the total mass? So first you have to calculate the total volume. You know that if you want to calculate the volume of the hollow cylinder, you have to apply the formula, and formula is 720 centimeter cube. Now we want to calculate total mass. You see that in the question one idea given that the volume, the mass of 1 centimeter cube is 0.6 gram. Then in total volume you multiply by 0.6 gram. But we have to convert this in the kg. If 0.6 gram, you see that if you convert 0.6 gram into kg, it is 0.6 divided by 1000. This gram converted in the kg. You have to remove this 0.6. This can be written as 6 upon 10,000. 1010 cancel out. 572 divided by 1000. This is 0.572. 0.572 multiplied by 6. It will be 3.432 kg. Anyone have any doubt? Question number 10 is homework. Try to solve question number 10. Otherwise, if you have any doubt, then you have to discuss in the class. Mention for homework.
After Diwali holiday.
Tomorrow's class.
Tomorrow's class is na?
Yes. Tomorrow you have, and today I have to give the activity. Lab manual activity. You have to complete, and after a month after that you have to purchase it from market. Okay. Keep silence everyone. Don't talk. You have to solve question number 11. You have to solve question number 11. You see that given question number 11 say that find the weight of a solid cylinder. Which type of cylinder we have given? Solid cylinder given. Question of asked find the weight of the solid cylinder of radius 10.5 centimeter and height is 60 centimeter. If the material of the cylinder weight 5 gram per centimeter, like say this question, 1 centimeter cube weight is 5 gram given. 1 centimeter cube given, weight given 5 gram. Okay. Like same this question. Suppose this is our hollow cylinder. Anyone have any doubt?
No, sir.
We have to mention the things. You see that find the weight of the cylinder. Radius 10.5 centimeter given. Radius given r equals to
10.5.
10.5 centimeter given. height given
60 centimeter.
height given 60 centimeter. Height given 60 centimeter. First should calculate the volume. First should calculate the volume.
pi r square.
Volume of solid cylinder. So many pi r square.
H.
Okay, get down. Cylinder equal to pi r square. H. Anyone write it out? Pi equal to 22 by 7. R equal to mention 105 upon 10. Anyone write it out? Question number 11. Keep silent. 105 upon 10. Radius given 10.5. You mention 105 upon 10. 105 upon 10. Into height given 60. 1010. Cancel out. See that. 105 into 22.
Sir, we can cancel out 10 by 120. Sir, we can cancel out. Sir, by 5. 2 and 5.
7 1 ja. 7 7 5 ja.
35.
This 7 this will be 15.
So, sir, 5 ja.
5 3 ja. 18 5 2 ja. 10. 3 divided 11. Anyone have it out? This is the radius value 11 into 3 into 6 into 105. 11 into 3 into 6 into 105 centimeter cube. 11 3 ja.
33.
33 6 ja. 190.
198.
8 into 105 centimeter cube. You have to calculate this one.
Sir, in class of will do.
You have to start with this question in the class. In this question, you have solid cylinder given, radius of the base given, height of the cylinder given, question of mass given.
20796.
270
20796.
20796 centimeter cube. Each and every one has to take volume of.
No, sir.
Check the calculations.
It is wrong, sir.
You are able to calculate 198 into 105. Kapoor, see your calculation. How you will solve the questions?
Sir, I
Sir,
2079. Yes, sir.
2079.
Yes.
20790 centimeter cube. What is the volume? 20790 centimeter cube. Like previous question have asked that what is the total mass? 1 centimeter cube volume mass given 5 gram. Then this total mass multiplied by 5. Total volume multiplied by 5. Total volume is total mass is 20790 multiplied by 5 upon 1000. Anyone have it out?
No, sir.
1010
Cancel.
cancel out. Whenever 100 divided 2079 it will be 20.79 into
5.
5. 5 9 ja
45.
45. 5 7 ja
35.
35 4
39.
39. Same as value.
So 3.
3. 5 7 ja
Sir, with that will be
this 5 will be this will be 3. 5 2 ja
10.
10. After 2.103.95
9.
kg. What is the total mass?
103.
Total mass is 103.95 kg. Anyone have any doubt?
No, sir.
So see that question have also give the answer questions answer given in the book is in kg. Then you have to convert in the kg. Otherwise, if you have to only calculate in the gram, it is also okay. Okay. Question number 12. The curved surface area of cylinder given. If its diameter given, find height of the volume. To see that 2 pi r is given. Value of 2 pi r is given to 1210. Only have to explain the question. This is the homework.
Okay.
Value of 2 pi r is given 210. In question number 12, question says the curved surface area of cylinder is 1210 centimeter square. If its diameter is 20 centimeter, that is 1210 given. 2 pi r is given 1210. Diameter given See that diameter given 20 centimeter.
Radius equals to 10.
This implies that radius equal to what? 10 centimeter. Here you put the value of r, calculate the value of h. Anyone have any doubt? Only question I asked about the height and volume. First you calculate the height, after that apply the formula. This is the solid cylinder, and volume of the solid cylinder is pi r square h. Okay.
13 question is also.
This question is homework. Question number 10. After that, question number 12 is homework. Anyone have any doubt? Question number 13. The cut surface area of cylinder 400 centimeters per given and circumference of its base 110 given. Find height and volume of the cylinder. You have to solve this question here. I will not give questions as homework. You have to solve some questions as here. And do the practice whenever you reach the home. So don't open your class for copy. First you solve the question. First you solve the question that you are able to solve the questions or not. If any difficulties you have, then you have to open your class for copy and see that where you have the difficulties in the question. Okay. Question number 14. You see that 2 pi r is given. So to listen to given value 2 pi r is the cylinder given 4400 centimeter square. Okay, and circumference, you see that the circumference, what is the circumference? At the lower end we have a circle, and circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, and value of 2 pi r given 100 10. It means and 2 pi r given 100 10. This implies that value of r equals to 110 divided by 22 into 7 upon 2. How you will do that? 110 divided by 2 into pi. This equals to 110 2. Value of pi 22 by. Then this 7 we have to move it ahead of 7 value of pi 22 5 ja 100 10 5 7 ja 35 by 2. This implies that value of r equals to 35. Don't mention 17.5. You have to mention the 17.5 means there is a difficulty in the question. Okay. You see the value of r is 35 by 2 centimeter. Clear? Any problem?
No sir.
Okay. Therefore 2, you see that 2 pi r is given 4400. You have to put the value of r here. Why? You see that base is given. Base is given by this base you have to calculate the radius value. You have to calculate the radius value, and this radius value you have to put in here. This implies that 2 into 22 by 7 into 35 by 2. So you see that if you have to mention 17.5, the calculation is tough. 2 and 2 cancel out. 7 5 ja 35 into h equals to what? 4400. 25 into 5 110. 110 h equals to what? 4400. This implies that value of h is 4400 divided by 100. 10 10
Sir, 4.
This implies that value of h is
44.
40 not 44. Okay. Here you have to complete. You have to write on your class for copy, and I will say that whenever you have to solve on your class for copy, you have to draw a line. You have to use the glue sketch and other things. Use the scale. Okay. This is your class for copy. How to solve your question on your copy? Okay, class for copy. Okay. So see that how much practice you have to write. See that copy like that you don't like that you have to solve. After this question you draw the margin line and you have to use the scale and other things. So see that like that you have to write. Give the time. If you have the time required, sir, you have to say that sir wait 2 minutes 3 minutes. Have to give the time. Then you go say that sir it is okay. But you have to write your class for copy. With the neatness and ज्यादा मार्जिन नहीं करना चाहिए। फिर क्वेश्चन नंबर 13, anyone have any doubt?
No, sir.
You see that the radius of this and height of the cylinders are in the ratio 2:3. What is the ratio given? The radius of base, it means the radius and height ratio given 2:3. Can I erase?
Yes, sir.
Question number 14. This question is homework only. I have to explain this question. Okay.
Sir, 14.
14. See that question, the radius of base and height of the cylinder are in ratio 2:3. R into H given 2:3. This implies that R by H equals to what? 2x upon 3x. This implies the value of R is 2x and value of H is 3x. You see that volume of cylinder given V equals to what given?
Volume
1617. V equals to what given?
16.
You know that what is the volume? Pi r square h, pi into 2x whole square into 3x whole square into h equal to 1617. And
Sir, how actually will be?
this is pi r square and h value of h is given 3x. Only 3x will be given. From here you calculate the value of x. If you calculate the value of x, then you calculate the value of here. You calculate the value of r and h. Easy, okay? But put the value of pi is 22. This question is homework. If here I decide we only to use the do the calculations and make write the actual answer. Okay? In this question, let me read out. See that question is that in a cylinder the ratio of the radius and height is 2:3. It means r by h equals to what? 2 upon 3 and 2x upon 3x. This implies value of r we have to mention 2x and value of h we have to mention 3x. We know that the volume of the cylinder is pi r square h, pi r square 2x square. Value of h is 3x equal to 1617. Let's calculate this is x is pi equal to something you have to come. Calculate the value of x, you have to put here. Okay? Then we calculate what is the value of r and what actual value of r and s you have to find. Today 3 questions are homework. Question 10, question 2 and question number 14. Okay?
Even numbers are for.
Question number 15 we have to solve. You see that question has said that the total surface area of a cylinder is 462 centimeter square. Total surface area of cylinder, solid cylinder. Listen to me. In the question is given about the internal radius or external radius. They both have to given. I have to discuss about the internal and external radius. Then this is a hollow cylinder. Otherwise, always it is the solid cylinder. Okay. What is the total surface area of solid cylinder? Pi RH plus. This same question I have asked yesterday. 2 pi r square. Yesterday I asked the same question. You will give the same answer. But today we get the correct answer. Total surface area. TSC of solid given. Write the solution. Solution 15. We have to mention TSA of solid cylinder. TSA of solid cylinder given. What is the value given? 462 centimeters square. Here we speak as the total surface area of solid cylinder is 2 pi r. 2 pi r plus 2 pi r square equals to what? 462 centimeters square. Suppose this is your equation number 1. Anyone have any doubt? After that, you have to read the question. And its cut surface area is 1/3 of its total surface area. Cut surface area is 1/3 of
Total surface area.
you. Yes, the cut surface area solid cylinder.
All the cylinder.
Solid cylinder.
Solid cylinder, sir, r square.
Cut surface area you have to speak.
Sir, not.
यार ये here I minimum 60 time I have to use. It's a topic.
Solid cylinder.
हाँ.
2 by r
2 पाई
RH.
According to question, 2 pi RH is 1/3 of the total surface area. 1/3 of 462. 3 1 ja, 3 5 ja, 3 4 ja, 12. It means value of 2 pi RH given
154.
154. Anyone have figured out? From here you see that 2 pi r we have to common out. Otherwise this one we have to put here. Okay. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. You have to mention from equation 1 and 2. What you have to mention?
From equation 1.
From equation 1 and 2. This value of 2 pi r is from equation 2 we have to put in equation 1. This implies that 2 pi r is equal to what? 462 minus
154.
154. How? You see that 2 pi r is equal to 462 minus 2 pi r is from equation 1. 2 pi r is equal to 462 minus 2 pi r is, and value of 2 pi r is 154. Put it down. This implies that 2 pi r square 462 minus 154. 12 minus 4 8. This is 5. 5 minus 5 0. This is 308. 2 pi r square equals to 308. This implies that r square equals to what? 308 divided by 2 multiplied by 22 into 7. Anyone have it out?
No sir, no.
Achha, you see that? The number 308 divided by, you see that? R square 308 divided by 2. This is 154. 154 into 7 upon 22. 22 divided by 154. This is 7. This implies the value of r square is 47 into 7. And this implies the value of r is 7 centimeter. If value is r is 7 centimeter, then value of h you have to calculate. But I think only question I've asked about. Achha, question I've asked about is find the volume of the cylinder. In this question I've asked is that find the volume of cylinder. If value of r is 7, then value of h is.
We will put your value and sir,
Anyone have it out? Clear? Now this value of r is put in equation 2. This value of r is put in equation 2. Value of h 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 into h equals to what? 154. 7 and 7 cancel out. 22 ja 44 into h equal to what? 154. This implies the value of h is 154 divided by 44. Value 3.5 plus
approx sir 3.
Clear? Anyone have any doubt? So to calculate the h equals to 154.
3.5.
Sir 3.5.
3.5
exactly.
3.5 exactly. Value of h is 3.5 for 7 by 2. Clear? Anyone have any doubt? So see that given question total surface area of a cylinder given 462 centimeter square and per surface area of cylinder given 2 pi r is equal to what? 1/3 of 462. We have to calculate here. What is the value of h? 7 by 2 centimeter. Now we calculate the volume. What is the calculate? Volume. You know that the volume of cylinder is
Pi r square.
pi r square h. We have to put the value pi r square h. 22 by 7 into r square. Value of r is calculate 7 into 7 into value of h is 7 by 2. This 7 and 7 2 11 ja 22 11 into 7, 77 into 7. What is the volume?
So
539.
39 centimeter cube.
539
39
centimeter
cube.
cube. Anyone can it out?
No, sir, no doubt.
Question number 16 is homework. Thank you everyone.